Alright guys, we are back again with another setup, and this is GBPAUD. Okay, so before we do anything, let's check the date and the time. So you come back here on Google, refresh it, and now the time is 10:49 p.m. Tuesday 14 April. Okay, so let's get back to the chart. Now here we are going for weekly. First, in weekly you could see that this was not broken, so this is going to continue going down for a bit, and then we go to daily. In daily we are going for short. This is my black line, which is the TP. It might go and take down this low, but I'll exit here. Okay, so around 8800. Okay, so it says 87973, so I will exit around this price around 8800. And coming back to 4 hour, you could see that in 4 hour we are below the EMA already. Okay, so again this black line is my take profit, and I am already into the short trade now. If you enter now at 9023 whatever, you could easily make 220 pips in this trade. Okay, so I'll this is a before video. Before means this is before the TP is hit, and I will record the second part of this video, which will be after video in which the take profit would have been hit. Okay, and you have seen the date and time, so I'll get back to you with the update. See you again. Alright guys, we're back in this video, and this is GBPAUD. So in the beginning we told you we are going for the TP. So I think we were here at that time, and now I have personally booked my profits. So before anything, let's check the date and the time. So let's refresh it, and now it's 2:26 a.m. 17 April 2026. So if you go 1 minute back, we took this trade on 15th of, was it 14? Okay, so it has been only maybe more than 48 hours. So in 48 hours plus, we have 2 days plus, we have booked our profits. And personally, I will tell you where did I enter, where did I exit. So let's open Kelsey. Okay, so this candle, baby, yes, this candle rather. So this candle was my entry around 9044. So 1.9044 minus, and I have exited on this candle. So this is running candle around 8849. Okay, so minus 8849. So I made 195 pips in this trade. Okay, now if this price goes further down, I don't care because I am out now. So this trade has played out. I gave you entry here and we exited here, and it might, you can see as well in daily, this is your support. It might go for this low, but who cares now? I'm out of the trade anyways. So that's all about it. If you want these swing trades, then if you are watching this video on YouTube, you can check out the first link below which says swing like a pro, and you can get these trades. Remember, this is not for amateurs. This is only for people who are patient. You have patience, you will get few trades. You will not get trades every day. Okay, if you are a psycho who wants trades every fucking day, then I can't help you. Go to a mental hospital. You're not made for trading. Okay, if you want some peaceful trading, only few trades per month, let's say 5, 6, 7 trades per month, you're good with that, and you can make these kind of profits. It depends on the pair. Okay, this GBP IUD is a volatile pair, so we made 190, almost 200 pips in this one, but on average you will easily make more than 50 pips in other trades, other pairs as well. Okay, so not everything in this video, but that's it. So go and check out the program if you want to join the mentorship program. The first link below the video, and I'll attach the not attach but maybe send the screenshot of this trade on my Telegram channel as well. So make sure you join me on my Telegram as well. All the links are below my YouTube video. See you again.